Zufka? Where are we? Well, what country are we in?
In Scotland.
We're in Scotland, yeah. And what's the area, what's it called? Do you know? Can you remember?
No.
St. Abbs. Bird watchers. Oh yeah, they're like looking at the birds.
Yeah.
Smells so strong, isn't it? Can you come down here?
Yeah, it's very weird smell.
Yeah, it's the ammonia from the urine, you know. The poo. Not as bad as your poo, but...
Stop it.
It's nice when the sun comes out.
Yeah.
Look at the cliffs. Oh,
What's that?
it's a steep drop. We might get a bit of shelter from the wind there and catch some sun on the end. Manage okay? Let's watch the loose rocks. Just use my arm. Yeah, just watch the loose rocks on your way down here. The ankle okay? Okay. Yeah, just take your time here with the loose rocks. The worst bit's the loose rock. As long as you don't stand on it, you shouldn't slide.
Look, they are having sex here.
Who is?
Look.
Having sex?
Yeah.
They're just on a little cute date on the cliff.
No.
I don't really see much sexual action there. They're just like chilling out, away from the noise. Just want some peace and quiet. Trust you to see sex in everything though. Yeah? You spot the poo, you spot the sex. Don't you?
Yeah.
Ooh, sunshine coming up. You want a little snooze on here? Look at all the birds flying around though.
But why they are like only here?
It's like what the girl was saying, it's all to do with the food that's in the water, the sand eels. It's such a rich source of food for them, so.
Oh my god, there is a boat.
Yeah, divers. Possibly a dive boat, I don't know. Look at them all on the cliff, you can see the nests. We came down quite far.
Huh?
We've come down quite far.
What's
Yeah.
the type of this bird?
There's no puffins here. These are kittiwakes. The bigger one, that with the chicks, they were fulmars, I think. Guillemots, I think they are. Like they're like almost like a type of penguin.
Yeah, they are.
Because like she said, the guillemot chicks have all jumped off the cliffs now, but you can see them all there. They're like little penguins, aren't they? Baby, you're dripping lovely, 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 oozy, creamy, juicy juice. It's raining. You stink. Oh, I can't even sleep in here. Every 5 minutes in this, it stinks. I'm gonna sleep with the goats over there.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Come here. You don't have enough space.
You comfortable now? You don't feel the floor?
No.
Good. I can't believe it. We smell so bad.
Do we?
Yeah, we do. We
No,
do.
we don't. No, we don't.
We do smell pretty bad.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
So where are we now? On the border with Scotland, aren't we? In a tent. And it's what time? 21:30. Yeah. Derekufka might have done the tent wrong, but hey ho. It's not exactly an amazing tent, but then we have duvets. This is posh camping. Can you hear the birds? Who's coming? Who's coming? Oh. I think I need a poo, you know. I think I need a poo. We will get ejected from the campsite if we're not careful.
Yeah, so you can go for a poo and do like very loud noises. Okay?
Really loud poo noises, yeah.
You know? Can you do that? I like that. When you're
I can't.
Why?
Because it's naughty.
No, it's not.
Are you warm? Are you sure? And you're comfortable now, yeah? Little snufka.
Oh
My God, that is disgusting, actually. Sorry, right, this has to stop. We have to stop this, okay? We have to stop this.
I'm not doing it.
But you just did it when I got back in the tent. Right, we have to make... Baby. Right, we have to make a promise to each other, okay? We have to make a promise to each other that we're not going to do stingies anymore, okay? Promise.
Yeah.
Should we try? This is important if we do this, mind.
Okay.
But where are we going to do it?
I don't know.
It's just, that's the problem we've got.
Okay, so just keep it under the cover.
Under the cover, okay. And we can't do that.
Don't do this, okay? We have to
No wafting around, okay. Okay, alright. We've got it. Then that means if one of us opens it, it's just going to be like a...
But maybe this smell, like, it doesn't last, like...
Well, yeah, unless we use our feet to open and escape, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, so we've got to open the escape hatch at the feet at the bottom. Okay, alright.